My name is Ashira. I am 7 years old. I study in grade 1. I love to study English.
Ashish Rai lives with his family in Udaipur, a mountainous area in Nepal. Every morning, he wakes up early to help his mother and prepare for school.
Udaipur is situated in the middle of the hills. There are a total of 12 churches in Udaipur. Some of them are on the hilltop, around 20 kilometers in distance. And some of them are on this side. Some of the churches are nearby in the valley regions.
A few years ago, the only way Adventist children in this community could get an education was to walk a long distance to a public school. Thankfully, church leaders were able to rent a school building nearby.
This school is located in Ninglinge. In this school, there are 2 teachers and 13 students.
The key reason to start a school in this place is that there are about 30 to 40 houses of believers in this place. And their children aren't able to get an English medium education because such schools are very far away. One of the boarding schools is 5 kilometers away from here. There is another school in Gaikwad, which is about 25 to 26 kilometers away. If we send our children to other schools, then they will have classes even during Saturdays.
Even though the need for a school was finally solved, the facilities need significant upgrading.
First of all, this is not our own school. We rent it here and we don't have proper class also and we don't have proper playground also. Children, they cannot play properly because here is not enough space. That's why we need our own school.
Regardless of their situation, the teachers are doing their best to provide children with an Adventist education.
We start by doing prayer and Christian songs, and also we teach the Bible and they like it. Christian school छैन यहाँनेरि.
Earlier, there wasn't a Christian school here. Until now, children have gotten a good education. Since this boarding school was established, the quality of education has improved. Teachers are also teaching them well. And we're glad to have a Christian school now.
My name is Buddha Rai. I live in Naretar. I am 4 years old. School name is Adventist English School. I love to read Bible. I love to sing Christian song.
School is one of the ministries that can touch and reach young generations to know more about Jesus. Having better facilities will help our Adventist members in this district with their children's education.
It would be great if we had our own building and a playground, and that we could build a hostel to accommodate and provide education to the students in the 12 churches, as well as from the nearby region.
Not all of the families in this community are able to send their children to the Adventist school because of the facilities. Please pray for the Adventist English School in Nepal. Your 13th Sabbath offering this quarter will help this school build new and better facilities to enable more students to experience a good Adventist education.